Let's use the new web series Con Man, for example, mentioned in a previous lecture. According to Wikipedia, Alan Tudyk developed his web series based on his experience as an actor touring the science fiction convention circuit. Though the show is not autobiographical, the fictional TV show echoes the real TV show Firefly, a canceled science fiction series turned cult hit that starred Tudyk as a pilot, and his experiences draw heavily on incidents and people he and his co-star and producer Nathan Fillion encountered at conventions. Tudyk said in March 2015 that the concept had been in development for 2 years. Tudyk spent a year meeting with producers but was disappointed. When asked to find an audience beyond weird convention nerds, he refused, believing it to be compromising the concept of Con Man. On March 10, 2015, Tudyk, Fillion, and co-producer PJ Harsma launched a crowdfunding campaign to raise funds for the series on website Indiegogo. Their target goal was $425,000 to produce 3 10-minute episodes. In 24 hours, the campaign raised over $1 million, setting a one-day record for a crowd-funded web series. Then the campaign set a stretch goal of $1.75 million to produce a full season of 12 episodes, plus a lost episode of the fictional Spectrum. They met their goal on March 14, 2015, and the campaign closed on April 10, 2015, with $3,124,214. The decision to use crowdfunding came out of Tudyk and Fillion's desire to work with people who knew the world of conventions, would enjoy being involved, and did not disrespect fans and their world. This web series had a very targeted niche audience, but a broad audience. It's convention people, convention nerds as they called it. You need to come up with a series concept that has an audience, a very specific audience, that you know will want to view your web series.